What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got an unboxing video for you guys. Just got my mystery box from StangMode. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Let's see. First thing I got fell out. Nice little Mustang sticker. We got a nice print of the Mach 1 for the contest. Pretty awesome. Snapback. StangMode. Alright, we got a couple different shirts in here. Let's see. We got shirt number 1. Has this cool StangMode signature on it. Very cool on the back. Check that out. American flag done up in a bunch of wrenches. Very cool. Shirt 1. Let's see, we got shirt 2. Another little cool StangMode logo. And this is very cool on the back. Check this out. This is the Astro Pop. Stang Astro Pop. Very, very cool. Love that shirt. So we got one more shirt here and then a couple more stickers. Third shirt, green logo. And then on the back, this one, pretty sweet. A few more stickers in here too, guys. Let's see what we got. We got a nice Mach 1 sticker. Another Mustang sticker. And last, we got a 5.0 Coyote sticker. There you go, guys. This is my unboxing of my StangMode box. If you like what I got, if you guys got some cool stuff too, leave comments down below on what you guys might have gotten in your box, and I will catch you guys in the next video.